all the gifts, they are from God.
Yes.
That's number one. And you need to realize your gift, and the more you realize your gift, you uncover a lot of things bongazazi about yourself. Isibongo sakho sithi ubuyaphi, igama lakho lithi uyaphi. So ngenza so much research about my name.
013 Golden Circle, another day, another dollar. It's sanibonani. Don't mind me njengoba ngihleka, so you know sometimes nginokuthatha abantu ngibafake on the hot seat. Mara namhlanje ngathi him. La nabona into ezwenzeka fanele kwenzeke vice versa. Next to me, ngihleli no Dr. Professor Alex B Maseko. Ubaba lo la eceleni kwami ngathi ngiqala ukumazwa cishe wangilumisa ngenja. Lokudala, but yeah, I feel very honored. We are actually very honored as 013 Golden Circle to have you, Mr. Maseko. Uguti uzos gracer. 013 Golden Circle, continue to like and subscribe to our channel. Facebook say Golden Circle. Instagram 013 Golden Circle. TikTok kanjalo. Asingasa policy Maseko. Nike ubaba Maseko kunjani?
Ngikhona mfo kunjani?
No siyaphila. Thank you very much for gracing our studio,
and thank you for having me.
Yes. You know, when I got the call to say no, Professor has agreed to do the interview, I was like, yo, ngiyoyiqala ngakuphi? Phela mangithi ngicheck ama credentials wakho la dokotela, into engayisho ileyo. Yeah, undenza ndibe speechless. But before singena la kuma credentials wakho, kindly tell our viewers emakhaya ukuthi who is Bongani Maseko?
Dr. Alex Bongani Maseko is a forensic and criminal psychologist. That means I'm a psychological scientist. I'm born from the lineage of philosophers. A branch of Plato, always vertical and resolute. As you all know, that Socrates mentored Plato, his protege.
Yes.
And Plato mentored Aristotle, his protege. And Aristotle mentored Alexander the Great, his protege. And again, it is an undeniable, indisputable, irrefutable truth, fact and evidence that Plato mentored Professor Bishop Dunono Msibi, his protege. And Professor Bishop Dunono Msibi is a mentor to Dr. Alex Bongani Maseko. I am his protege. I am a direct epitome of my mentor. And unapologetically his product.
Yeah. No, clearly it shows today. Nami amas English amkoseli geza namhlanje. But yeah, before Dr. Alex B Maseko athola zonke lezo ziqu zakhe lezi anazo currently. Can you kindly take us back before uba Dr. ukuthi what kind of a childhood did you have? Nje ubuyaphi?
Okay, I was born in the revolutionary years. Yeah. In the dusty streets Zala eMalahleni.
Sure.
Ngafunda ekhaya lethu primary principal by then I think it was Mrs. Mahlangu. From khaya lethu ngayenkonjane principal then Baba Masondo. Yeah, he was very strict. And from Nkonjane I went to Allendale, I went to Wheatbank Technical before it changed to Inkangala, and then it was TUT. And then from lapho ke ngathi ngiyabheka ngaba interested to go VIP protection. I don't know why. Benga understand it then. I ended up the president of the South African Bodyguard Association, nationally, youngest at that time. I did more research about my name because isibongo sakho sithi uyaphi. Isibongo sakho sithi ubuyaphi, igama lakho lithi uyaphi.
Yes.
So ngenza so much research about my name. My full name is Alexander. So uma ngenza a research only to find ukuthi the name Alexander is originated from Greek, right? It's a male person, and it means protector of mankind. So ngabe siya understand ukuthi why I'm so into protecting abantu and all of that. Hence njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngibe president of South African Bodyguard Association. ukuhamba kwesikhathi I developed interest ku forensic. And developing interest ku forensic, it was part of the investigation. And without me understanding gift yam, let me just do a forensic psychology. That was the master's in forensic psychology and criminal investigation with Liverpool University. So doing the forensic investigation, that's when I realized, Guti, I've got certain gifts. Go forensic, go investigation as a whole. And mangenza so much research, nga realize Guti nalento esibiza ESP, extrasensory perception.
Okay.
Is to understand this into just by looking at them and try to put this into together. Yeah, just by looking at things. And ngasizwa yilo ukuthi sengathi ngithola my masters ku forensic psychology and criminal investigation. Ngathi let me push it to a doctorate. And then I got a doctor of psychology specializing in forensic. So 2017 I graduated. Bangithatha bangifaka kwenye crime scene. I wanted to see kahle ukuthi le gift, is it in line with
what you
then ngabangifaka ku crime scene enye nje, it's a very old crime scene.
Sure.
You're not gonna believe crime scene, I think it was 7-8 years old mangifika kiyo.
Ibese yini bathini lawa asikwami
Cold cases. Yes, cold cases. And then ukufika kwami ku crime scene, everything it came together.
Is it?
Yeah, as if I was part of the crime scene.
Wow.
So ngabona lapho ukuthi man, this thing kahle ikhona ikimi. I went to my mentor Bishop Dununu. Ngambuza about this kind of gift ukuthi is it true vele ukuthi umuntu can have a gift like that? And then the answer was so simple ukuthi all the gifts, they are from God.
Yes.
That's number one. And you need to realize your gift, and the more you realize your gift, you uncover a lot of things bongazazi about yourself. That is why now enye into angitshela yona ukuthi sometimes people realize a gift yakhe, and the devil will come now I realize your gift because wena ungayirealizanga igift yakho. Abese ayithatha imanipulate uyisebenzise wena against your purpose of existence, for example, against izinto kumele ngabe uyazenza ukusiza abanye abantu.
Awusenzele example mhlambe ngaloko kusho because ijule kakhulu lento isho.
Yabona I'm just going to make a simple example. Let's say une gift yokwenza izinto zenzeke. I'm going to make it simple, very simple. No une gift yokuthi ukhona ukwenza izinto ezi-impossible ebantwini zenzeke. Bese ungayirealize lo gift ukuthi kahle igift yakho it's there ukuthi wena it's like a ministry. Serve ama-purpose wabanye abantu. You understand? Serve ama-lives wabanye abantu ngegift yakho. Awukwenzi lokho. I-channeleka to izinto ezi-wrong. You end up wenza izinto ebantwini but izinto ezi-wrong ezingasasizi umuntu. I think ngibeke simple that way. Yeah. So yeah, it was like that, and then ngapusha. I've never lost the case since 2017. I'll go to court. Sometimes a court, you get to the point whereby umuntu agcina seka admit ukuthi into esongiyenzile because of wazizinto abantu abangazazi ngalo muntu. So I did a lot of researches about the gift and all that, and I understand, and I had to put me respect as well. And then ngabona ukuthi just to be a forensic psychologist, it's not enough. Then I add a second doctorate in criminology with the same institution. I graduated 2022. So that is why I'm a forensic and criminal psychologist. I'm holding both in my doctorates. But I'm going for my third one now. 2027, I think February, March, I'll be getting my LLD, Doctor of Law, with the Salford University. So yeah. The reason for this, you have to be the greatest in your bloodline, then pass it down. Okay. Yeah, I wanted to change the status quo in my entire family. Akekho umuntu ofunde njengami. Yeah, I want abanye bafunde better than me. So at some point, it takes one person to be that sacrificial lamb to change the entire generation. Because you must understand one thing, Guti. Ukufika kwakho la emhlabeni, the moment you land, because there was a chromosomal connection between your mother and your father. Kwavela wena. The moment you land la emhlabeni, you've got 30 abantu emva kwakho. That's the blessings wabo, that's the curses wabo, and everything ilapha phezu kwakho. So no uyabheka nengithi bayi 30 wonke umuntu ma parents ayi2.
Yes.
Yeah, wonke umuntu vele ma parents ayi2, and then you've got your grandparents, 2 from your mother's side, 2 from your father's side. Yes. You've got your great grandparents about 8. You've got your great grandparents about 16. So in total ufika la emhlabeni uthola abantu about 30. And not uthola abantu about 30 unezinto ayizinye abazenza lemuva as affecta wena manje. Thina siphila impilo yethu right now, siphila impilo zalabantu labo. So no uyabheka in your family, hey, there was never a doctor, there was never this, there was never that.
There was never a podcast.
Exactly. So yes. So manje kumele ube nalento, ube nalo muntu lokuthi wena at some point izinto azicale ngawe. Nezicala ngawe so change yonke le system ebhedayo beyikhona maybe in your family. So that was the purpose.
Now they normally say a student becomes greater than their master. Would you say with manje since Bishop Donono Msibi is your mentor? And if I can put it like that, he's your master somehow. Are you greater than him now?
Never in your life, according to the 48 rules of power, never in your life try to outshine your master. Always tata master yako, tata your guru, tata your mentor, ibegele on a higher pedestal. It doesn't matter how many qualifications or now, because there's a reason that person akhona empilweni yakho. That person will become your what we call it, your destiny connector. So nokungasuka yena kunezinto ezingeke zenzeke in your life. So never in your life try to outshine your master.
Your master.
Yeah.
Because uzovela uchayisane namabota vele at the end of the day. Logan, you said something about you started doing VIP protection at the young age.
Yeah, all right. Umuntu wangifaka kakhulu ku South African Police Services. I think uyamazi Pet Nkosi, the late.
Yes.
Yeah, Pet
that's
Nkosi.
That's the time I met
yes,
you.
Yes, Pet Nkosi wayinayinja bathi uvele.
Yeah. Yeah.
So inja nami ngithanda uhamba nayo, nami nengihamba nalenja it's a German Shepherd. It's a canine. Yeah. Ngayithi nengihamba nayo nami vele ngangizidlutla nje ngangizibona ukuthi no ngisekasi and ngisabe next. So Pet Nkosi the late, may his soul rest in peace. Umuntu wangigruma into loving isiphoyisa and the investigation part and all that. And yeah, I'm still having connections with the family yakhe as well. So yeah. Then ke kwaba issue of VIP protection. Mina doing VIP protection, it was like a hobby.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was like a hobby. Hayi man wathi ngenze lokho esayidini ngibona ukuthi kunjani. And yagcina seyi lifestyle. And then ngafunda, I mean my trainings wakhona ngaze ngafika to the last level here, VIP protection. You become an intelligence commander. And we only 4 in the country. Intelligence commanders go VIP protection C4 till today. C4. Mina ngathola about 3 and I became the fourth one.
Intelligence commander commander.
Uma uyi intelligence commander go VIP protection, kahle you've got everything la esandleni sakho. Yeah. I've protected man. It's baningi abantu, baningi. Abantu they will say, yeah, ngamba nokhumza manje ngimprotectile ngamba ngiyi1.
Sure.
Not understanding ukuthi kukhona abantu engibaplantile around. Yeah, and I have access to subs, I have access to medical, and it's a lot of things engazenzeka. When uzobona mina ngamba nalo muntu ngiyi1, kanti kunabanye already abakhona. Akube ne problem, that's when you're going to see it wrong.
Like currently I'm watching a series, but it's a person of interest.
Yeah.
Some of those things are happening and I'm like, there's a lot of espionage happening.
Exactly. And when you figure go intelligence commander, you are able to train umuntu ohlele ku wheelchair. Abe one of the protectors, but abantu banga understand. Ukuthi uhlele ku wheelchair akusho ukuthi u disable. Angakhona ukusebenzisa i-com, angakhona ukusebenzisa a whole lot of things. Amehlo ayasebenza. So yakhona uwasebenzisa. That person becomes an eyes and ears of the protection team.
And it's fascinating how these things work, you know. But then, good question, there's a friend of mine of which we grew up together. He once told me, "Good, you took them to somewhere, and they'll spray it, and then I think you took some guys from Ekasi, you were trained, I don't know. ngathi ayikhona ibody army yasinda mina ngeke ngizokubonisa yena. I won't say his name now.
Okay.
I won't say his
Yeah,
name.
they were guys. Few of them that I embattled with bank, and then abanye they are serving government. They are serving as protectors as well. I think I've produced a few guys.
Yeah, you have.
I've produced, and I'm still willing to train more because angikwazi ukufana lento.
Sure.
Lento ikhona kimi, like I told you, ukuthi ngathi ngirealize my name, ukuthi my name is in line with my purpose of existence. I'm in the protection field.
Yeah.
So kwaba yilento ukuthi at some point the skill enginaso kumele ngisidlulisele kwabanye abantu. So ikhona lento.
Ilo kanje ngizobuyela emuva kancane ukuthi uma sisakhula kuba nezinto eziningi ezisifascinate. Like myself, I was fascinated by drama, music, all the goodness. Hence I'm in the entertainment now space. Yaba. Wena ufascinatwa like isibhamu ukuvika where you were a fan of Bodyguard from Beijing.
Not only Bodyguard from Beijing, the Bodyguard itself as well.
Oh yes.
Yeah, Whitney Houston and Kevin Costner. Yeah, maningi ama series mina lokho nje nengwabheka bese ngizibone ngiyilento le.
Sure.
Yeah, but it's so strange ukuthi izinto ezinjengalezo in your life aziphumi kuwe.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm a doctor now, but I'm also an operative. Yeah, I get my hands dirty when it comes to getting my hands dirty. I still operate as if I'm not a doctor. Doctor, it's a title. Yeah, nakhona ngangifuna because ngifuna ukuthi ngivulele iminyango ethile.
Sure.
Yeah, but then as I'm saying ukuthi Bodyguard from Beijing, it was one of the best. Mas cool, it was best bega yo.
Well, they are party fatu.
Yeah, best bega yo. And then I ngafunda a lot of things about bodyguarding. Ukuthi we can protect a principal uphethe your pen. Can protect a principal uphethe a credit card. CD, the normal CD, yeah. So it's ziningi into engazifunda. Ziningi kakhulu into engazifunda. I'm training bodyguards as well. So if I have the time, I do train bodyguards. I train ladies on self-defense. I believe ukuthi akekho umuntu odlule esandleni sami ongaba easy target. Yeah, people will say kanti wena nomzimba omncane ongaka kuza kanjani you train these big guys. Bodyguarding kahle it's all up here. Yeah, it's not about the physical body. But it's good
when intelligence command.
When you have the body, it's for you can use that for intimidating. But most of the time it's here. If you can check Bruce Lee umzimba wakhe wonke kanani and compared no Polo Young.
Yes.
Bebangafani. Yeah, so it's about that.
Yeah, Polo is not.
Yeah. But it was the fastest. It was Bruce Lee.
Bruce Lee was the fastest. Yeah. Yeah, no, it's so humbling for me to be sitting next to you, because at the very same time, I also get to learn some of the things that has to do with EVIP protection. Now, I'm going to go now to the book. I get to understand what the inspiration now is what you were doing throughout. Now, the reason for you to put it there on pen and paper, can you expand on that?
Yeah, ngabona kune gap, especially my investigators were to within government departments, especially SAPS as well.
Sure.
You see, a field in YAM, like I said, I focus mostly on cold cases.
Yeah.
Ayikho a case okuthiwa le it's unsolved or le is unresolved. It becomes cold because akusana ma resources angakhona ukuthi asize the investigating officers ukuthi babuyele kiyo and uncover whatever maybe what was missing kiyo. So the book, it's designed for that ukuthi you read the book, you'll never be the same, believe you me. Now you're not part of this field, but no ifunda you'll want to be part of, maybe as a forensic investigator or anything like that, or criminologist.
There's a show that I used to watch on TV, The First 48. Like they get to solve cases within 48 hours.
Yeah.
And then me now with my minute knowledge, if only in South Africa we can get guys like.
It's the resources. The government, angekho enough for ISAPS. If the government ingaba kule position yokuthi kube nama team specialize ukuthi bona within 48 hours. Ngoba kuyenzeka lento kaningi lento yenzeka la with bank. Angifuni ukwenza example ethile ngaze thinte abantu abathile ngobhlungu. But kunomuntu owabulawa la with bank. wabulawa, and then I went to one of the brigadiers la, Forceman, Brigadier Ndlovu. Ngathi man, ngicela sinikeze 48 hours. We'll make sure with the guy. Semthola. Lento lo muntu wayicommita, it was on a Sunday. Tuesday bese siwe naye.
So it is possible only if
Possible.
there
Only
are
if the resources are gone.
Because really, I was like, if only.
Yeah, if only if the resources are gone. Remember now, a criminal always leave a signature. Signature, not le oyibhala
Yeah,
ngesandla.
no, I get you.
But there's a trail ayishiyayo. So when you follow the trail, angeke uhlale ungamtholi. Manje on my field, because now it's a specialized field, it's, you see, i-gift yami ngililele to ekutheni, you can attach your signature physically, signature yakho. I can look at the signature, I can tell you what kind of a person, ukuphi unjani, uphila njani, with correct dates as well. Just the signature itself.
Did you realize the dream when you were already in, or it's something that you had while growing up?
I think lento while growing up, i-logo ikhona and ya developer. Remember now, you're coming from business management. I went to Allendale ngenza mechanical engineering. Ngathi nengibheka ngathi no, ngifuna end up ngigcwala ama-oil and all that. There was nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with it.
Awufuna uzithola
Yeah, ngathi angifuna uzithola ngenza. And then I moved ngenza ama-business studies with Witbank Technical Nkangala. Nengisuka khona then ngathi hayi, let me try the field. Yes, that has got something to do with mind, your muntu, human behavior and all that. Then ngangena kiyo ke.
So it's like the 30 previous people in your lineage were like slowly pushing you towards.
I can't say 30 previous people in my lineage because the decision yenziwe yimi.
Okay.
Ayenzwanga yiwo. Ama-behaviors yilawo wabo. But the decision at the end of the day, women will decide ukuthi no. Because if ngipushwe yibo, why there's no doctor? Why there's no professor? Why there's no, I understand ukuthi ngiyaphi. So akekho okawenza izinto engizenzayo. I've done my research, I've done it. So ezinto ezenzeka kimi ziyaqala ngami, and kumele njengoba zicala ngami, should ngichintshe mina the status quo. Sengithathe another direction. Akumele ngicika ngamele sichubeke. Ingakho lento iyasekutheni ukuthi sometimes isibongo sakho siyi-problem.
How so?
Ngelinye ilanga, I think last week Bishop bekhuluma about this thing esontweni ukuthi sometimes isibongo sakho siyi-problem. How sure are you ukuthi mina ngimaseko? Wazi ngani nalo ocabanga ukuthi umaseko naye bam-adoptile somewhere usebenzisa isibongo sakazibani bani? So angeke ngazi ukuthi njengoba ngithi mina ngimaseko kubuyele emuva, buyele emuva. Phela kumele kube umaseko from le emuva, from labantu abawu-30 abasuka le my great grandfather, kumele kube umaseko. So somehow kunale lokulahleka kwezinto uhambe ubuye sekudiswa ukuthi no wena umaseko, mhlawumbe isibongo sakamaseko isibongo sakakhokho wami, mara the mother, the grandmother, that side, what no, labantwana bazokhula ngesibongo. Do you understand that? Yeah, izinto ziba mixed up to the point ukuthi,
because those are some of the things which can constitute towards generational cases.
Exactly, yes, that's that. So now I'm in a process yokuthi, why don't I use my name as my surname? Alexander. I understand igama laka Alexander because igama laka Alexander is the protector of mankind, and I'm in that field. So why ngachinchi i-status quo mo Alexander, a new breed, the Alexanders? There's nothing wrong with that. Ama Xhosa, uDesmond Tutu, uma unga researcher kakhulu, uTutu akusisibongo sabo, but uTutu igama laka babakhe, laka mkhulu wakhe kuba uTutu. That is why you'll find amaXhosa kuthiwa uLunga Williams hayi ukuthi ngoba beba makhalad or belungu whatsoever thing, igama laka mkhulu othile in that family bathi Williams, then they say Lunga Williams, ma Alex Williams, whoever it is Williams, ni adapte lesibongo leso. USA you find black people baka Johnson, baka Jackson and all the Jeffersons. It's because they were named after the slave masters. Slave masters akhe no Johnson. Nonke nina abantu abamnyama ni baka Johnson. Yes. So yeah.
Askena la ncwadi. asikele la ncwadini mina into engiyaziyo ukuthi you'll see after this episode mangidibana nawe lapha estradini ask me anything about criminal psychology I will tell you because manje now sengiyamunya asikele la ncwadini Dr. Alexander.
Yeah, so now le ncwadi njengoba ngisho ukuthi is designed for ukuthi ikhona ukusiza ama-students who are trying to do or doing a forensic.
Sure.
Yeah, forensic analysis, forensic psychology, ingakhona ukuthi basize kakhulu.
Yeah.
And the reason the book is designed ngale size le, it's because academical institutions, especially your universities and all the educational institutions, let me put it like that, bayayifuna. So now i-standard sokuthi incwadi kumele bayisebenzise as a module of some sort, kumele ibe kule standard le.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, kumele ibe this size. Kumele ibe this size. That is why now iphume this size. Yeah, for that purpose.
Yeah, because I've read books, but then they were not of this size. Vele bengithi ngizokubuza ukuthi manje mawenza umzabhaba ongaka ngapha nayi nale magnifying glass with the what you call it, the fingerprint. Yeah.
Yes.
What does
it symbolizes the forensic part now, the investigation. Remember now on forensic we deal with into encane kumele sikhona kuyenza ibe inkulu and then sikhona kuyibona ukuthi yenzeka kanjani. You magnify izinto. That is why that magnifying glass. So uthi into encane uyibambe bese ukhona kuyenza ibe inkulu uzokhona ukubona in detail.
uyayilulisisa and so if would I be wrong to say maybe either one what you've just said now, if you haven't done philosophy somewhere somehow kokosela uphinde ubuyele kuma modules of philosophy, because with philosophy every answer becomes a question. You're always looking for the why. Is it
Yeah, that's true.
But then kushuthi kahle we are never satisfied.
Mina.
Yeah.
It depends.
On what?
No, it depends. You see, my mentor always say, when you are in philosophy is about researching the truth,
Yes.
right? Yes. You after researching the truth, you give out the truth. In other words, you give people the truth, right? And then number 3, you must defend the logic of the truth.
Yeah, exactly.
So if ukhona ukwenza lento zoyi3, that's philosophy. So yeah, I do a lot of researches. And with the philosophy, you don't look at things go face value base you conclude. You want to see what lies behind.
Yeah. So up until uze ufike ubone ukuthi right. Lana sesifike kwangqingeje, this is what it is, and then you have to analyze again from the beginning. Phela ukhumbule wena lo mcondo wakho onawo akusibo bonke abantu abahambisana nawo.
You understand? You see, one of my lectures ngiyilanga wathi kimi, please don't apply your way of thinking kuma friends wakho. You'll end up not having friends. Ngathi mina why? What you've got this analytical ability. Umuntu angeza azongitshela sonke story la kwenzeke 1 2 3 4 already nakavula umlomo you pick up ukuthi le ayihlangane. Le khona le ayikho. That is why now ngiyakhona ukuthatha ama statements omuntu asibhaleni. I can tell you ukuthi lento ikhona noma ayikho. The whys and the I's, the O's, the way lokuba cursive ezintweni and whatsoever, I can tell you ukuthi lo muntu ubhale andawanaphi. Kenza kwesinye isikhathi umthola umuntu bathi commit suicide, right? Ashiwenze inote.
Sure.
Right? Nakenze inote ukuthi mina sengifuna ukudecide ukuzibulala 1 2 3 4. Ngokubheka le note I can tell you ukuthi uzenzele wenzisiwe or vele lento beka ngafuni kuyenza but isimo esithile simphushile ukuthi azayenza.
Then sekuba i-inquest kanje.
Sekuba inquest.
Oh,
that is why sometimes ama inquest they turned up to a murder. After almost we go to investigate the inquest ikulidela to no this person zange azibulale we-mad. So iba like that.
Mhlawumbe njengoba siloko sibhiza sikhuluma sovela ngibheka odala okunye ngibuza idoti.
No. No.
Yeah.
No, but
No,
yeah.
like you like ngizophinda futhi professor.
No, I prefer being called doctor. Professor is my mentor, like I said. Yeah, no, it's fine. It's fine.
Ngimsusi ngiyamiye.
Call me Dr. Alex. I'm professor when I'm somewhere. Yeah. And besides, like I said, I prefer my mentor being called professor. Me, called a doctor. Yeah, because he's professor doctor. Everyone. So that's the thing.
Ngabe
I go to other institutions, educational. I ngiyakhona ukugqokisa abanye abantu, more
Yes,
graduations and all that, because of what I have. But I prefer.
You are also a founder and director of Amangamane.
Yeah, Amangamane.
Amangamane, is it the one that you utilize to train
Amangamane Risk Management, it's my private company. Yeah, but it's doing everything that I'm doing. Yeah, it's doing everything that I'm doing. I've got people there who have been trained to do what I do. Yeah, on private matters as well. Yeah.
Fly chopper?
No.
Phela yabona njengoba ngikutshela ukuthi mina la emkhondweni wami sekugijima, and then you also mentioned ukuthi South African Bodyguard Association since 2005. Does that mean are you still?
I'm still the president of the South African.
Wow, from 2005.
How
many years now? It's 20.
No, bala kahle uzoyithola. Bala 2005 bala kahle uzoyithola.
No, sengiphalile.
Ingaki?
Angazi. Ngifela lapho ukubala, ngifuna ukubala.
All right. 24 years. Akusindaba ukuthi why ngingehle.
Yeah.
I'm busy grooming somebody now to take over. As the president of the South African Bodyguard Association. Kunomuntu engimgrumayo and yeah.
Uyasondela yena.
Yeah, uyasondela yena. Into engikhalelayo mina uma ngigruma umuntu ngifuna ukuba abe better than me. Yeah.
Like I said, the student becomes greater than them.
It's supposed to be like that. Yeah. Okay, uyabona indumba. Yeah, benches. No, ye benches. Le benches. No tata is seat ye benches. E1, right? Ifake emhlabathini.
Sure.
E1. Uma say germinate and every meal like keep ama benches engaka.
Amaningi apply.
Yeah. Into oyiyo. Into ephuma entweni iba ngcono than into ephuma ke.
Iphinde futhi.
Into ephuma entweni iba ngcono and iba big than into ephuma kiyo.
Exactly.
Just like that.
And ama credentials wakho Dr. Alex, they are so big. Lana I'm looking also kuthiwa you are an associate collaborator. And Idronwell PMC, and that is in Brazil.
Idronwell PMC is a Brazil. It's also one of the special task teams as trainer bodyguards, and they also go through those specialized elite squad team. Ekwazi ungena endaweni iphume landa muntu kidnapiwe and all that, yakhona ungena iphume without even notice asibeke njalo. So yeah.
Wona kahle uphila ismovie.
No, angiphili ismovie. No, angiphili ismovie. Njoba ngisho ukuthi lezi zinto lezi they were fascinating to me. And ngaba nalento ukuthi I mean if kunomuntu okhona uyenza lento nami ngakhona uyenza. And yes, ngi collaborator for yona. I'm also what manager for what do you call this? Boyiphethe la yase UK. Anti-Truck Association.
Anti-Truck, yes.
Yeah, Anti-Truck Association. Yase UK. So nabo yibo abantu nje bangifaka ezintweni.
Yeah. So Loganji, obviously you've been to Brazil, you've been to all these universities la ufunde khona, you never did them by correspondence.
Remember, online you do online, but there are times we are khona physically. Yeah, there's a purpose. Yes, I've done that. Yes. And like I said, you have to be the first in your family. I think I'm the first person or traveler this much this much in my family.
Yeah. And we are still yet to travel more.
Yeah, I'm supposed to travel as long as inyama ihlangane nomoya. I still have to travel. There are so many things that I still have to do.
Yeah.
You see, the richest place in the world, it's the graveyard.
I was actually telling my parents.
Graveyard houses people who were supposed to be doctors, who were supposed to be professors, who were supposed to change izinto.
Yeah.
But now
dreams are like
exactly. Bese umuntu oba nalento ukuthi hayi man angikwazi unikeza you know D into so ngoba ngamnikeza D into so will run with it bese uyangikhohlwa kanti no into ikhiphe nikeza umuntu if idea bona ukuthi yona ngeke ikusebenzele but umuntu ngamsebenzela akusho ukuthi hamba uyofana nayo inikeza omunye umuntu nakagijima la noma ngabe yena akasakhulumi ngawo but uzabazi uzabazi ukuthi lento idea ngithole ku D ngithole ku Khumza 1 2 3 4 so I want to die empty I want to disappoint the graveyard angifuni ukufana izinto zabantu because ngizela emhlabeni ngithwele izinto zabantu so kumele ngizishiye lezi zinto ngingafi nazo ukuze abanye abantu bakhona ukuphila babengcono.
Now you know your profession, it keeps you busy, and one can actually say Dr. Alex uyake ahlale endlini a relax. Do you get time to relax?
We have all of us not 24 hours. It's not 25. It's up to you with the 24 hours we manage. Song is not 24 hours in this life. If I can do so many things, ngesikhathi esiyi-1 sonke singakwenza lokho. And isikhathi sasendlini nginaso, isikhathi sokusebenza nginaso, isikhathi sokulala nginaso, isikhathi sokuresearcha nginaso because I research a lot.
You research a lot. Ilo kanje this way now, you know, angifuni ukuba isiqeda mlozi because with the time that we've spent, I think you've unpacked a lot about who you are and where you are going. Although you said now when we started you don't have a past, but now we've uncovered mostly everything about you. And now looking into the future now, what does it have in store for a person of your caliber?
This is my first book.
Yeah,
it was launched on 28 February on my birthday this year.
As Uncle Smith.
Into emnandi ukuthi you saw ama invites zango respond kiyo because ama invites were there bonke kungibize la ekubeni zange uyibone ukuthi book was launched uwe futhi wahlangana nami wathi incwadi ngiyibonile manje ngifuna uku-interview ngale ncwadi engiyibonile ngiyaso ulonjile. So now it's my first book. I've got 5 cishe ziyafana nazo lezilindile okwamanje ngiphusha le the reason ngiphusha le ngifuna inhlonhlobale.
Sure.
That's one iku Amazon manje all over the world. Yes. Yabona into engifuna ukuyenza manje I'm establishing myself. Nisengaboni ukuthi uNkulunkulu ubekeni ngami.
Sure.
Yeah, no nisengaboni. Yeah, nisengaboni kukhona la ngiyakhona and angeke ngidlule la emhlabeni ngingakabanga ilento le engizele la emhlabeni. So lokho kubalayo wena ubona ngathi kukhulu kuncane.
Yeah, Jimani.
No kuncane ngisengenzi next. Because at the end of the day whatever I do it's not about me, it's about the lordship of Christ. And glory be to God. It's about that. That's where I am. But ke usengaboni. I know.
Sisazobona and we are going to be there vele to bear witness.
Yeah, nisazobona kukhona izinto ezi so big. This book le iyafuna manje USA.
Yeah.
Iyafuna very very serious. Iyafuneka. I'm busy working on that as well. So yeah, kuningi okuseza.
You said itholakala Amazon. And then
yeah,
is it the only platform where
all my social media handles wonke nje Dr. Alex Imaseko, all of them.
Is it downloadable online as well?
Online ku Amazon it's ku ebook.
Yeah.
The hard copies uzithola kuphela kukho la kunye.
Ama hard copies atholakala kuphela and you said they are running at the fee of 600.
Yeah, because ebook it's 900 and something, and then the hard copy no ya ku lokanje ku Amazon is around 1.2 1.3. But mina because ngine reason why ngis discounting isibeke ku 600 ukuthi nona uma ubana khona uyi afford.
Yeah, funa siraise siphakemise masokisi kuze silo kanje. Yazi imvamisa sometimes when we're doing something like this bavele basitshela ukuthi this one is for you manje la ngathi sibhampile la. Ya la ngathi sibhampile la kufanele sikhiphile yo 600.
No, I never said that. Yabona usheshe wahamba waya phambili because umosha izinto.
Yeah.
Ngize na
Yeah.
3 copies la.
Yeah.
Lama copies I'll sign them and batshela ukuthi you got them from the author.
Yes.
Ayithenganga online and whatsoever
Yes.
thing.
Yes.
I'll sign them nginishela wona way 3.
Yes.
Yakho yakadi nomfundo.
Yes. No, thank you. Thank you very much. And then kuma social, what are your handles abantu bangakuthola kuphi?
Bonke it's Alex, Dr. Alex B Maseko.
Dr. Alex B Maseko konke.
Yeah.
Makabala konke phela uyayibala ne TikTok.
Yeah, konke. All of them.
With that said, nathi si 013 Golden Circle siyatholakala kuma social handles, but before sivala angeke kuzobe kuyi mistake ukuthi sivala umfundo angakabuzanga something. Umfundo always has a question to ask. Yeah, umfundo.
Can I ask this one? So for someone who wants to become the change in their generation as well, what advice would you give in their lineage actually?
What kind of change?
Like you said, you are becoming the change in your lineage to a point where you're starting to do things that the previous people haven't done before. Now there's someone in a position where they want to become the change as well, but maybe they don't know what to do.
Okay,
What advice would you give that person?
ngiyacabanga kusumbuzo okugcina lo ngiyazi khona omunye. Mfundo,
Abakushangane FSP. So basukubonile class.
mfundo into ebalulekile 1. Cala wena ubheke ukuthi ufuna nempilweni. Right? That's number 1. Number 2, akubheka izinto ezihluphile emndenini wakho. You understand? Sonke la kunemikhuba ethile eyenzeka emndenini wethu izinto ezingenzeki nokuthi uyabheka sokugcina kuyi pattern and nokuyi pattern it becomes a norm nokuthi uyabheka no it's a generational case le nonke nine family yenu for example niyaphuza ngenza example nonke vele nizidakwa zokucala nokugcina nifundile but niphuza too much so kula kumele uqale ubheke khona ukuthi okay mina yini change engifuna uyenza kulomndeni lo and yini into new engifuna ukuthi be established kulomndeni lo yilento ke kula kumele uqale khona ke because kungenzeka nonke nifundile but anithola umsebenzi. You understand? Fundile nonke nithola umsebenzi. Funa indlela ukuthi okay aqale ngami ukuthola umsebenzi. Yiziphi izinto kumele ngizenze ezingenza ukuthi ngibe kube nemali and ngigenerate that that and have that generational wealth. So yilezi zinto kumele uqale ubheke kizo. Bheka izinto eziloko ziyinkinga in your family. Because ngeke uye phambili ungazi ukuthi uyaphi.
Bakushaya 10 note this time.
Ngicela umoya umbuzo una 3 umbuzo I know. What's the second one?
Let's see. The second one would be as you are. This is a DP. Because my questions are more on the deep side.
It's okay.
It's more on the deep side. Okay, let's ask this one. So you said you're also in the VIP bodyguard service, right?
Yeah, I'm still part of them. Part of them.
You are, as I've perceived, you're more into like the Christian, I'll say, faith. I don't know how to put it.
Why do we say Christian faith?
I know, because I want to say that, a lot of times people who are doing the bodyguard service feel like maybe they need to go to a one to someone to get protection. You don't have a...
Okay, Mina, I have a very, very intimate relationship with God. That's one. Whatever I do, it's about Him. On November is 10, 2024. Not far from here. Langa Sekopan, yeah. Where these two guys were species by Chaser and all that. And I was shot 28 times. Lalel, I was shot 28 times. But imoto yashaya amabullet ayi-4. Le 24 sathola ama-cartridges phansi.
Oh, not you physically, but
They were labantu abasidubula, they were plus minus 1.5 meters away from us. They were shooting at us. It's only 4 amabullet out of 28. Washaya imoto ayi-4 zangangene. And then thina ku-retaliator kwethu it was another story. Yeah, abanye nje sebahamba buhlungwana and all that because khona sekuyabonakala ukuthi kunento abenziwa yona nje physical. But with lento engishoyo ukuthi it can only be God. It can only be God. Angibelieveli kwenye into, angibelieveli komunye umuntu but God. You understand? So whatever I do, it's about the Lordship of Christ and glory be to God. Like I said, my protection is allowed. And besides, you see, it's not the presence. Yeah. Let me put it this way. Protection yami ayisebenzi just because of the absence ye danger.
Okay.
It's because of the presence of God in my life.
That's deep.
That's where my protection comes in. Ukuthi because there's no danger, because of the absence ye danger, akusho ukuthi ngisafe. Ngisafe because of the presence of God in my life. So danger or no danger, ngisharp man. Ilento engenza ukuthi ngibe fearless. I fear nothing except God. I fear nobody but God. And most of the things that I feared in this life sezenzekile empilweni yami. So, and another thing, I understand. Umsebenzi engiwenzayo, ifield engiyo, I have a target on my back. Inkosi sangcinile. You understand? So angikusaba ukufa. I laugh in the face of danger. Uti can tell you. This man I can tell you. I laugh in the face of danger. I don't see danger as a danger, man. Ngibuka ngathi it's one of the things ezenzakalayo fanele zenzake in my life.
Juthi namasithi putsi wena udatsi.
Yeah, nina kahle nokukhala ibullet nishona le mina ngiyalala khala khona. I need to eliminate. Lo muntu osebenzisayo. So yeah.
Bathe una 3.
Yeah, una 3 khona yes, I know.
The last one would be so you said that what motivated you to write the book is you wanted to, please clarify on that one.
Yeah, I'm motivated to write the book. It's the knowledge that I have and being acquired really all these years. And nokuthi sengiyabona ukuthi kune gap, especially our investigators, ukuthi kunezinto abangakhona ukuzenzisisa kahle ngoba understand mhlawumbe umsebenzi wabo and lack of my resources as well. So kwaba yilento ukuthi let me just write the book. They can use the book as an instrument. But when criminal, for example, kunezinto ngeke uzikhona ukuzipick up la. It's coded in that way. You need to have that mind clear to understand the book. So it's complicated. But when uthi no ngizosebenza le ncwadi le to
before.
Ngeke you won't. Yeah, in a coding yayo nje so.
Gobe.
No, like I said.
No, mina
No. Kuningi engizokuthola, kuningi engizokunderstand. It's about the criminal mind. This book will help you ukuthi understand ukuthi yini enza ukuthi umuntu commit crime. It's so izinto ezenza ukuthi umuntu commit crime is deep. Ezinye they are part of your genealogy. They are part of my genetics wakho, like ama genes wakho. Ucommit nje ngoba in your lineage kunezinto. You see, GBV mina I always say abomkhulu bethu bebagijimisa abogogo ngezinduku. Yabona? Kwaba ne generation engasagijimisa abogogo manje ngezinduku ugijimisa ngamazembe. Yethu generation akusakhala izembe mase ukhala isibhamu.
Yeah.
Yabona lento ya iloku yakhula.
I know. I'm so sick.
Udini nombuzo. Okay.
Uthi wena mbuzo.
Unawo umbuzo.
Uzakubuza mhlambe off camera. Yeah, let me repeat myself again, Dr. Alex Masego. Thank you very much for gracing us with your presence. I'm looking forward to reading the book. Ngiyazi khona izinto eziningi engizozifunda. Nanilapha emakhaya, thank you very much for continuing to liking and subscribing to our channel. You know, as a 013 Golden Circle, we want to be nathi sikhule. Continue to like and subscribe to us. Nama comments wenu ayasinceda kakhulu, because without your comments we won't see ukuthi kuphi la silekha khona, ikuphi la kufanele sikhule khona. So keep on supporting us, and yeah, we want to be, you know, the best that we can be nathi in future. So yeah, with that said, ngukhumza tso Stoff Samalahle 013 Golden Circle with Dr. Alex Masego. We are signing out. Thank you very much.